it's Felicia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing the updated version that I promised you guys in my last video of my tutorial HaNN. So today I am able to show you the intro into the chorus and part, the last 4 beats of the chorus part because it wasn't shown in the music video, but now we have the performances of Music Bank and all the other performances now are shown, and so now I can finally teach you guys and show you guys what the choreography is. If you guys wanted to learn the chorus of HaNN, make sure you guys click in the link in the description box below. I have taught the chorus already, and so if you want, click there. In this video, I will be teaching the intro into the chorus and the last 4 beats of HaNN, the last 4 chorus in this song. So don't forget, this video is weird, and let's get started. So I am starting with Miyon's part. So first, you step out with your left foot, and we're coming down with her arms like this. So we're coming from like a 90 and then down straight. So it's 1, 2. From here, we cross. So all the members kind of do a different thing. Sometimes some of them is up here, some of them is up here. But I will show you with the right being on top, left on the bottom. From here, it's 1, and then we pull out. So again, we come from down, step left, right, come over, right on top, left on bottom, pull out, and we're gonna look to the right. So again, we're gonna go here, and up, pull, look. So after we look to the right, we will look back to the front, and once we're done, I kind of lean to the right, and so left foot is kind of like we're putting our weight on to our right foot, and then we lift up. So it's pop, pop, 2, it's like 1, 2. But here from the top, so we come down, left, step out, right, here, out, look, back, and up. From here, we're just gonna spin counterclockwise. So our left foot is planted, we turn, and then we do a little hit on the very last beat. So we're going hit. Once we do the hit, we spin the same way, counterclockwise. So left foot is planted, and we turn. But while we turn on the second part, our arms are coming up, and we meet at the top. So now, once we've met at the top, we step out with our left foot, and it's like I-dle. So we're going and lean. So it's kind of like a circle. We're coming, it's, I guess, like the sun is moving. I like to think it that way, here and there. All right, and then we lift our left foot up, and we kind of do like this, I guess, kind of kiss movement. So it's like this at the same time. From here, and then I like to step out, and they kind of do this little punch thing, but your hands are not like in a fist. They're kind of like I don't know. It's like you're jabbing someone in their eyes, kind of, and so your fingers are out and pop. Okay, so again, from the sun, we go here, and then we lift up, and here we do this little jab. From here, it's kind of like a little skip. So I take my right foot and I bring it, to my center position, and left foot up. From here, we land with our left foot like this, and we do, our hands are kind of like flipping, and we do it 3 times. So it's kind of, it's hard to explain, but here, and jab, we do this turn, kick, down, and it's a 1 and 2 and 3 and. So it's like that, 2, 3. When you're on your left foot, you do come out, and you come back in when you're on your right. That's how you kind of do this. So it's like 1, 2, 3. We're done with our 3 hits. Now we're coming out to the audience with our right foot, and then we kind of like tap our chest 2 times. 1, 2, and then left. So I lean over to the left, and then right, and then more la. I don't know you. I'm using my right arm, and covering it, and then I turn clockwise with my left foot planted. So left foot is planted, right foot moving, moving clockwise here, and then we come back around with our arms like an L. So this comes up, this comes here, and then a really quick, it's like I'm circling my face. So I'll try to do that again. We come tap, tap, left, right, move, turn clockwise, and then we come L, and hit, and and then we go straight into the chorus. So this is the intro into the chorus. Don't forget that you can always pause, repeat, do what you need to do to learn this chorus. To learn this choreography. And I'm gonna teach you the last 4 movements, last 4 beats to the chorus. And then we'll go at 75% and then at 100%. So that way, yeah, you guys will get it down. We come in here, we come out, we stepped out, right? And we come in, right, left. From here, we step out right and open our right arm, coming out and out with our left. So we just did this, and then we go right, left, and we do this little hit. It's like a out, in. So pull your chest out and in, and then mola. So it's like mola. They do it really fast, my. So it's like really fast, my. It's like 1, 2, and let it go. My. There we go. So again, from here we can just go right, left, and we go open right, open left, out, in, and then my out. So yeah, that is it. So I'm gonna do 75% and 100%, and then hopefully you guys will know quite a bit of the choreography. So let's get into it.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Remember, I want to see you guys, I want to see your covers. So tag me on felicia.covers. That is my Instagram where I post my dance videos. Just tag my Instagram dance cover account and I will look at your covers. I'm so excited. I love this song so much. I think I-dle will get very far with their after their debut. Like, they did La Ta Ta and now they're doing Han, and both of these have been extraordinary, so I can't wait to see what's up for them next. Don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. I really appreciate all your support. Your comments always makes me so happy, and thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.